I'm definitely in paradise.
Get ready to island hop across the most stunning province in Thailand, Krabi. We've got so many islands to get through. Stick with it, it's going to be worth it.
Good morning from Ao Nang in Krabi province. I have flown to the South Thailand now on the west coast, and I'm going to be doing some island hopping down here, but first stop is Ao Nang. I flew in yesterday morning and I took my day to get my bearings and all the rest of it. Ao Nang is one of those touristy beach towns. I don't know if it was always like this, but it is. Walking down to the beach and around the curve of the beach, it is just endless. You've got massage, you've got touristy gift shops, food, all that kind of thing. And it was buzzing last night, I can't lie. If you are after nightlife, nothing wrong with Ao Nang at all. We're going to do something that I just keep hearing about. Every vlog, every bit of research I've done, the place to go is Railay Beach. Now Ao Nang Beach is nice, and I was down there last night for sunset and I saw the fire show. Very cool. But now we're going to get a longtail boat out to Railay. So we had the right place. You buy returns, it's 100 baht each way, and now we're following down to the longtail. So as soon as they've got enough people, they'll take you. For me it was like 1 minute, no big deal. And you better be comfortable with little steps like this, because you got no choice. This isn't a pier, you are just getting on. Okay, so I landed in paradise. Why am I walking when I could be laying in a beach? Well, I'm going to stop because I'm shaking the phone. I am heading to Prenang beach. One, it's going to be quieter. Two, there is something there I want to show you. So bear with me, but we've got about a 1k walk to do. Wow, so looks a little bit different over this side. Tide is out further, but that is the pier right there. So that is Railay East. People coming in from Phi Phi, going out to Phi Phi and any islands that way. All right, so we got to this point. There's a little sign here, Prenang Beach, Prenang Cave. So now we're going to do a little bit of trekking, and I think there might be monkeys on the way. I won't be feeding them. Also, quite a lot of people walking down here, so monkey is hanging out around the tree. Wow, this is really cool. Do not draw on cliff surface and cave wall. Got it? We won't be doing that. Okay, well I was very, very wrong about Prenang Beach being quieter. In fact, it's swamped. But you can see why. But the thing I particularly wanted to see is over here. And I'm going to show you, and if you have children, now is the time for them to look away. So if these items look of a certain shape that we won't say, you would be absolutely right. There is a cave here and the one next door, and the fishermen bring these to pray for fertility. And also, well, maybe exaggerating the truth. because holy wow. As a female, I say no. But I didn't want to come out to Railay and not show you this. So there you go. I think it's time I got in this paradise water. When I put my feet in it earlier getting on the boat, it was warm. So it's time. I'm just going to find a spot and I'm going to chill here as much as you can with about 2,000 people. All right, everybody. Water! So warm. Oh, I must have to get my sunglasses. Red eyes. Oh my god. Oh, this feels beautiful. So yeah, we're basically in paradise. And I'm so glad that I made the effort to come across to Railay because it is all the hype everybody said it was. Welcome to the Hong Islands, the place of many postcards, many dreams, and I've come on a boat trip today, have a look around, and we are going into Hong Lagoon right now. Oh. Welcome to Hong Island, paradise on earth. Well, I made it to paradise. Hong Island and the lagoon. The lagoon was very congested this morning and couldn't stop for photos as we would have liked, but we have now come around to the beach area. And this is what I've seen the postcards of, and I'm going to show you. I can't believe it. I had seen pictures of this place and I just knew if I was in Ao Nang in Krabi, I had to take advantage and get the boat trip out here. Now, there is more to Hong Island than just sitting on the beach. There is a nature trail, there is a viewpoint, there is kayaking, there's all of those things, there is snorkeling. I have taken up residence on the beach and that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of hours. The boat trip does include lunch, so we will be doing that. I will say with these paradise locations, if you can get a boat trip, other people can get a boat trip, and so you may feel that it's crowded, but what the boats tend to do is they tend to pull up, drop people off and then back away. So you can see quite a few boats in the distance, but and you do hear them, and I guess it's a few people, but not like yesterday, not like Prenang beach. This is calmer. We are going to be hitting the water very soon. I'm so glad I came. Look how clear this water is. That is unbelievable. I'm definitely in paradise. I am in a TV commercial. is some shingle, you know, shingle, broken up rocks. There is shells. So just 5 minutes by boat from Hong Island, we come to Koh Pakbia. I will spell that for you. And I'm currently on a sandbar between two delightful lagoons. Sorry if I'm making anyone feel seasick. This is what I signed up for when I wanted to come to Thailand. I don't want to get back on the boat. We have another stop after this, but I don't want to get back on the boat. I like it here. Alright, final stop today. Laolading Island, which translates to Paradise Island. I can't imagine why.
Went to program Hong Island program. It consists Hong Beach and then Pakbia Island and then Laolading Island and then the last one Hong Lagoon.
Perfect. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
And you have been such a fun, wonderful guide. Thank you so
You're
much
welcome.
today.
Thank you.
Okay, so a whole day in paradise. And we're not even done yet. We've got 2 more Thailand destinations to go, and I hope you're going to join me. See you soon. Thank you.